Does working through a problem and finding a solution appeal to you? Are you great with your hands? Can you move large, heavy items? Then you may want to consider dispensing your skills as a vending machine technician. Vending machine technicians install, service, and repair vending machines that dispense food, beverages, and other products. They test, adjust, and calibrate machines so they perform properly, and inspect the equipment to determine if any maintenance work or repairs are needed. To serve up the details of this occupation, we spoke to a vending machine technician working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Darren. I'm a vending machine technician. Vending machine technician is responsible for looking after all the internals of the machine, the mechanical end of it, electronic end of it, programming, a lot to do with coin mechanisms, bill acceptors, card readers, which are the monetary devices that are handling the transaction. So there's a lot of little bits and pieces that make it all flow together. As a vending technician, you could be working anywhere. If there's a school or an ice rink, a hospital, private business, or a rec center, there's a vending machine. It's much larger than a lot of people think. Because vending machines are working 24/7, you're often on call, typically a 40-hour work week, but sometimes there'll be evening calls or weekend calls. So the first thing we'll do is just check the cellular signal. Some of the responsibilities of a vending technician are going to be to test new equipment or even test equipment that was in the shop. Maybe it was just serviced, make sure it's ready to go for location. A technician will often be involved in the delivery and install of machines, making sure the machines are level, ready to go. Other duties would be to replace worn parts in the machine or broken parts. It's helpful, definitely, certainly if you're moving equipment, that you're physically in decent shape. Some of them are quite heavy, but it's really quite easy and safe with the right equipment. It's also good to have problem solving and interpersonal skills. Mechanical aptitude is key for sure. Basic knowledge of how things work is really good. And just basic, because you do learn as you go quite quickly. You will be required to have protective equipment at various locations, hard hat, glasses, steel toe boots, vest, and gloves. Obviously not everywhere, but it's good to have that handy with you and just have it for when you need it. I have a basic set of tools that work really well for the equipment we work on. There's screwdrivers, nut drivers, pliers, pretty typical stuff. Always want to carry zip ties, a voltmeter, and then there's a couple of different download devices we use for software that I usually have on hand, and usually a decent lubricant. Although there's no formal educational requirement, it's really great if you have an aptitude towards computers. It lends itself well to programming the machines. A construction safety training system certificate is required to gain access to some locations. What I'm personally most proud of in my time in the industry is just have some really strong relationships with suppliers and with my customers. You know, if you're just getting into the workforce and you've got some hands-on, this is going to be perfect for you. It'll offer you a great opportunity to go as far as you want to go with it. There's a lot to learn, obviously, but it's a great industry.
People in this occupation should have a mind for mechanics and have both physical strength and good manual dexterity. An enjoyment of using tools and testing things is also beneficial. If this sounds like you may want to install yourself as a vending machine technician. Discover more of the nuts and bolts of this career, including training requirements and salary ranges, by going to the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, like appliance service technician, office equipment technician, and vending machine route worker. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.